Hi, this is Hannah Weller, and I'm sharing another one of the technologies that I found that I wanted to show you guys. This one is called Prodigy, and it's a math game for students. I don't have an account, like a class set up on this. I've just seen it used, so I'm showing a little bit of their tutorial video here. But students would get a avatar, and they'd be placed in a specific part. Then they would also complete different questions and types of battles within this. And then while they're playing this game, I thought this was really cool that it is assessing where they are at. It gives them a placement test here, and you can get information and reports about what your students' progress looks like, how long they've been on, their placement test, what standards they've been working on and mastering, or what standards they might need help with still. So I thought this was a really interesting type of program. It adapts to what they're missing and challenges them, keeps them on track with whatever level specifically they are at. And since math can be so broad, I thought this would be a really good way to kind of hone in on those skills that those students need. So again, this is kind of new to me, but I had seen it used a couple of times, and so I thought it would be nice to share this one because I thought since it had the adaptive capabilities, I thought that was really unique. So hopefully somebody finds interest in this and can use it. Thanks.